Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Visual Studio Code HTML, how to change image size. So in there I will insert image, you can type image, img, press enter. Now for source, I will use the picture from the computer, you can click copy address and paste in here, and then copy again for the image name. Insert in the here in this position. Now for the alt, this is for the description. You can type like cat description and click file, save. Now you can open into browser. So this is for the cat image to bigger. So if you want to resize, you can add the new text with width. Okay, you can press enter. Like I will set into 100 for width. And you can click file, save. Now we can preview. So it will be changed width into 100. Another option, you also can add for the height in here. Height text. Like I will set for height to 120. So you can file, save. And after it, you can refresh. Now the image will be changed into width 100 and height 120. So we'll change like into 60 and then refresh. This is for the 60. Or another option, if you want to create for the responsive image, you can change in it these two options, width and height. Change into style. You can type style and use the max width. Can set into the 100%. Like this. And the next you can save. Now you can refresh to be changed the image to 100% to match with from the browser. Okay, that's it for basic Visual Studio Code HTML, how to change image size.